So here I'm going to be putting you through on things you should do. Now let's look at how you can perform your task on this platform. So once you have logged in, look at this place you see TikTok Pay. Click on it. So here you are going to fill in your TikTok details here. So go over to your TikTok, get your TikTok name. So I'll be putting you through on how to do this. Okay, so let's go to TikTok. So here on your TikTok, this is where you're going to get your details. In case you don't have this username you are seeing here, this one here, just click on edit profile. Okay, then you come and add your username, add your name. Okay, your username is your handle. So I'm going to go over, I have copied the username. I'll go over to Anchor. I'll paste, then I will get my link. This is the link here. Okay, I'll paste it here. Then what is my name? My name is the digital adder. That is the name. Okay, so you click on submit. So as you are seeing, the submit is successful. So that's all you will do here. Just go away from this place. Don't do any other thing. So we are going to move back to dashboard. So I'll remove this. So we have done this. Let's move down. So you have to read this. There are some cases you are going to log in, they will give you a different notice here. So make sure you read the notice that is there. So now we are going to be looking at referral link. So I'm going to be talking about how you can make money from Anchor, different ways you can make money from Anchor. Now the first one is by this TikTok Pay, where you are going to submit your details, which we have submitted. Now I'm going to take you to Anchor page on TikTok. So that I will show you how you can make money from Anchor using TikTok. Okay, so here on Anchor page, these are videos that people have done. These are videos that people have done, they have made. So you can go and see them by yourself. I don't want to play any, so I don't go against any platform rules and regulations. So you can see the videos by yourself. You can get ideas, or you can even search. You search and see what other people are searching for. Let's go back. So now I've mentioned the number one, creating video about Anchor and tagging Anchor to it. So once you get to 1,000 view, Anchor pays you $1.5 for this. Now let's move on. So the second one is by referral. Okay, now you have to copy this link. You copy it and give to whoever that wants to register under you. Now if the person register for silver package, which is 6,000, you will get 5,000 too. If the person registers for pro package, which is 8,005, you will get 7.2. that is $7.2. The silver package, you get $5.2. all right, so after that, this is the second way to earn. Now the third way to earn is by these Anchor games. Now this Anchor games has like today, so I'm going to claim on this. I'm going to click on claim reward. So you see today it took me to WhatsApp. There are some days you are going to click, it will take you to TikTok, it will take you to Instagram, it will take you to, what's the page all about? I don't even want to join. It's not a must to join. It's not a must. If it takes you to YouTube, you are going to watch the video. If it takes you to TikTok, I think sometimes it's usually take people to their page on TikTok. If you are not following, you follow for vital information. If it takes you to Telegram, very important, and it's Anchor's Telegram channel, follow it. So I'm going out from here. I'm not going to follow this channel. So the thing here is I have clicked. Okay, this account is automated. I'm using pro account, is automated. So whether I perform the task, this particular task or not, my money will still add. Okay, so now by tomorrow, yes, by midnight, 12 a.m. or 1, it will be added to this my ACH cash. It will be added to it. So don't be worried when you click on it and nothing adds. Just try and check it the other day. The next day you're going to see it as added. Then the other ways, these games are free. These games you are seeing here, they are free to play. Okay, this one too, they are free to play. If you are looking at it, you say free, so they are free. Now there is something called squad game. Okay, so here is the squad game. Okay, now this squad game usually take place on Saturdays. Okay, from 12 p.m. Saturday. So if you are interested in this squad game, just make sure you are active from this time. Okay, just come here, click on it. By then it will be open. All right, now you can join. So you can join any of these team here. Okay, it can be team red, blue, white, green, anyone. Just click and join. And how is this game done? It's when you join, it takes you to a group. Okay, now whoever that is made the admin of the group tend to remove people from that group. Okay, till it is one person left. Now it is that person that is left that usually get the reward. I think is 50,000. That is $50. Okay, so it's not open yet. So once it's open and you click, it takes you to that particular group where you're also going to see others. Now, in case you want to fund your in case you want to get coupon, get coupon for your downliners, you come to this place, click on home, click on this menu again. Now you are using this vendor. If you are in Nigeria, you can pick vendors from here, anyone you want to buy from. You pick vendor from here, message them, it takes you to WhatsApp. So I'm going to go back. So this is foreign vendors. I think the list of both vendors are still the same, but you can try. So here you can message them. If you are not in Nigeria, you're outside Nigeria, you can message them and ask them whether they have coupon for that particular country. Maybe if it's Kenya, then whether they have coupon for Kenya. Just try and message as many as you can, you will get. Then this is marketplace. This is top earners. You can look at the top earners. You can look at the leader board. So now look at about us. Okay, it's important to learn about Anchor. It's very important. So you have to scroll down, learn more about it. Now this is their social media handle. You can always message or send message on this social media, and if you click on it, it takes you to Anchor platforms. Now if you have issue, you have a complaint to make, click on this, go to that about us, come down, click on contact us. Some people don't know that this exists on the platform. Now you have to scroll down. These are WhatsApp line. I think this is 000. Sorry, this is 00, not 00. So you have to copy and edit if you're going to use this particular one. Just copy and remove this 00 here and add 00. Okay, this particular person, the first person, is active. In fact, they all respond. So if there is any issue, try to reach them. All right, thank you.